Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about why do ants walk in straight line. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos when it's uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now in order to know that why ants walk in straight line, you have to know how they actually get their food. Now when an ant actually goes out, let's say individual ant goes out and searches for food, it after finding the food it actually comes back from there, allowing the notifying the other ants, and while they're coming back they actually leave pheromones along the path. Now once the ant has returned to its colony, it makes everyone aware that they have that the ant has found a food and they should follow the trails to go to their food source. Now one after another ant starts coming out and then eventually reach the food source. The reason why they actually follow through the straight line is because the pheromones are skipped in that way. The first ant, that the individual ant who first found the food, actually goes through a particular path, and these pheromones can also evaporate really fast. So since if they are following a particular path and keeps on dropping its pheromones over there, as it releases its pheromones it creates a path over there that is not visible to our eyes. We cannot smell it, but ants can, and then the ant just follows that path. Now it is also possible that the individual ant who has first scouted out the food has gone through a little bit of curves around that place. If that how the ant has went from there, it's possible that the other ant would also follow that curve exactly the way it is. It's because they are following the pheromones, is they are following the trails in order to reach the destination. Now this process keeps going on and on unless all of the food has been taken and get it put inside their colony, and during that time the ants will continue to walk along that tracks of pheromones that has been released by the other ants. They don't deviate from that path because if they lose their path they won't be able to find the food source, and also that can create a lot of problems. Now ants are, since they're really organized, they follow each other, so they completely follow the path in a very straight line, in a very mannered and well mannered way. Now this is clearly visible when you watch them in big numbers. You can see there they are walking in a straight line, or let's say if there is a small curves around the corners or some places, the ants will start curving all together in the same time in the same place because they are following the pheromone over there. So that's the reason why they follow a straight line and all of them just moves along in the same way. So that's it for this video. I hope you find your answer from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. Uploading 2 videos every single week, that is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, notification bell. Thank you.